Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have the ECM Synchronika 2. I came into the shop because water wasn't flowing. And when adjusted and working with customer service for whoever sold the machine, the nut came out of here and it got lost. Then also whatever caused, that initial issue ends up causing pressure from the pump to build up a lot, eventually causing the overpressure valve to fail. It was just constantly leaking through the overpressure valve, and now the overpressure valve is stuck open. So I ended up replacing the pump and the OPV. This is non-adjustable, non-serviceable. And then we also did a tune-up on the machine at the descaling both boilers. And then cleaning the group head, backflushing the machine, cleaning the steam lines. That's about it for what we do with the machine. I'm just going to do a test shot. This is our test coffee. It might come in a little bit fast, a little bit too slow. It's just demonstrating that we have a pressure machine. It also has this flow control right here. As you can see here, seeing around 9 bars. Pressure at the group head. Pressure gauge. I'm just going to stop it right there. There you have it. Thank you for watching.